And there have been mixed reactions from residents in the Southeast St. Anne constituency, where Lisa Hanna has been for 3.5 terms. Now, Krista Campbell visited the area today and filed this report.
I'm in Claremont St. Anne, a traditional stronghold of the People's National Party, with victory margins over the years of 4,000 and 5,000 votes. But in the last general elections in September 2020, Lisa Hanna retained the Southeast St. Anne seat by just over 30 votes. So a day after she announced she will not contest the next general elections, residents had a lot to say, but most persons did not want to speak on camera.
If you look on the condition of the road around the south, the truck nearly go over there. Last time I tap her and asked her, she said, NRAC will fix it. I asked her if she not right to NRAC, how it will fix it, and she drive away. I'm going to election time with Lisa Hanna. Lisa Hanna pass through her almost every day, and she not top. The worst road in Jamaica, brother. I don't know how he come here. I don't know spot in there. Look like a flying flag come here.
She there over 15 years and she not make a brand for herself. And from she come here, me I tell herself to make a brand for herself. Make a brand for your name when you are MP. She not no brand down here. How much wasteland in our community. Everybody have to hitch up on their mother and father place. Why you not do something about the wasteland where renters them mine out and leave? Do something about it, man.
Most of the people around here that always say bad things about Lisa, so she's not doing this, she's not doing that. But in truth and in fact, this constituency is very big, you know, and the one that really seen that says she now can really touch everybody, and she now can do everything. And sometimes I know she not poor right now, and the more not really grant her as the way she want to do, as well she want to do.
Resigning is the best thing she ever do for Jamaica.
Why you say that?
Because there's nothing she do. She come and she go around and she make big promise and she talk this and she talk that, and then she ever say Jamaica people, St. Anne people not want anything besides chicken and sing. So better she go on.
I will miss her because she is really a lovely person, a people person, someone who you can always, sit and talk with. And one of the things I admire about her is that she mixed with the common people, because I had an experience with her at once. We were on a visit. I think it was the education minister who was around in the area and was visiting. She was with him, and we had to go through a little rugged path. She took off her shoes.
Now, amidst speculations about whether or not Lisa Hanna's resignation at this time is a political ploy, what is certain is that the party must now begin the process of selecting her replacement. Reporting from the PMP constituency office in Claremont St. Anne, I'm Krista Campbell for TVJ News.